Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We're so glad you joined us today. And we thought we'd start doing something a little different. We're still going to try to do our Saturday mornings, but we're also going to do some, they're not shorts since they're not vertical and 3 minutes because it takes longer for us. But we thought we'd do like some Casita hints and things that we do.
Tips and tricks.
Tips and tricks. There you go. So we're excited for this part of our channel, and it'll make sure you like and subscribe. Those things help us out a lot.
Yes.
It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the like, make a comment, good or bad. We try to respond to all of them. And we're just thankful for you. So today we're going to deal with a problem that people have on their trailers. And we have a solution, we believe, because we've used this on every one of our trailers.
Yes, in lots of different ways.
Utility trailers.
Yes, the sleeper trailers that we've had 2 different ones. Both we've changed the lock system. We've had 2 different cargo haulers that we converted.
Yes. And
like a toy hauler.
Go backwards and look at those.
Look at all the things.
But we don't have this on our Casita. And one of the things that's easily possible to do on trailers, and people don't realize this, is they'll put a lock like this. And this is a great lock. This is a proven lock.
It's also a proven lock.
That's a great lock. I always recommend having a lock on when you're driving, but they'll do that and say, okay, I'm secure. Well, no, you're not. Even though they can't put that on, the ball, they can use these chains to wrap around their ball and haul your trailer off.
And it's gone.
And it's gone. So that's one way to secure it. Another way that we've seen is where we've had before is it's a ball, it has a bar going across, and
we've lost the key on those and had to break into them ourselves as the owner, and we could.
Just a small hammer.
Within a few minutes at most.
Yeah, like 2 hits with a small hammer, those were gone. This definitely does not do that. But and so I even upgraded to a thicker one that arched over, and I just used a grinder in about 5 seconds. I was out. It was out. So I use proven locks because I like those, and so I want to address this area here. And
so what are we gonna use, baby?
I'm gonna hand this over to you, Jody.
Let's look.
And so I've got another proven lock. Now this one I'm using the puck lock. And I've used puck locks on all our cargo haulers.
Conversions, yeah.
Yeah, all our cargo haulers, our utility trailers. Now they've redesigned a little bit, and I did an upgrade on this one since it's the Casita. I did the stainless steel.
Woohoo.
And so the stainless steel is a lot stronger. It's about 3 to 4 times heavier. And the way these work is there's a key slot on the bottom.
Yeah.
And you just turn it. And then
it makes the pin come up and block.
That's the lock.
Yeah.
So what's cool is you can turn this.
Blocks access.
You can turn that key, leave that out, put this where it needs to go, push the button, and it's locked.
Very cool.
I'm going to go ahead and unlock it, and I'm going to show you.
And there's something cool about the key, honey.
Yeah, so the key, first off, it's an exclusive key, so you can't just go get a key made. And it's a durable cylinder lock. And what's cool is when you buy your first one, we've bought, we should be sponsored by Proven.
Yeah, probably about 20 over the years, yeah? Lots and lots.
Easily. So the first time I lost the key. Now, oh no. Excuse me, I'm yawning because it's 105 degrees and but got Jody yawning now. But I lost the key, and Proven Locks keeps record. So I just had to send in my driver's license so it was prove that it was me, and they sent me another key. Since then, every time I order one, I order it with the same key. So I've got several keys now for...
But the locks all have the same key, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with 10 different keys for 10 different locks.
Yes, so this is the new mechanism.
Dun, dun, dun.
And this thing's huge. First, before,
big.
And that's why I have the other lock as well. Before, it was like a cylinder that went in over this area here.
Yeah, it looked like a little hood. It would slide over the top, and then it had a locking part on the side.
No, there was no locking here. It was like this, and the puck was right here, and it slid over that because this was still exposed. So this one, let's take this off real quick, Jody. because this one is going to be a little different. So I'm going to take off this lock.
With the key.
And see again the way this lock works.
Yep, same.
Same. And we're going to keep that lock so when we're driving, we'll be using that.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
You should have a pen always when you're driving. We've seen people lose trailers. I've lost a trailer, I will confess.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, it's only a mile, no big deal. We hit a bump and it became a big deal real quick. The safety change worked.
Yeah.
But always put a pin.
Yes.
Always put a pin. So the way this works is you've got chains right here, and you're going to have to squat down here, honey, so we can see this together. So these chains, before we do the chains, let's do this part here.
Yeah, that acts like a ball to go in and click.
Now I'm going to point out this Casita uses a channel, which is cool. Let's see this corner here. This corner could be a problem, so just keep that in mind. And then what's cool about this...
make sure we don't get hooked on it.
What's cool about this new Proven Lock box is it covers the whole assembly.
Oh, and it even covers the top lever that was uncovered before.
Yes, so come on down here with me, Jody.
Okay.
So what's cool as well is before the chains were still exposed, but now the chains, got to show this box here, Jody. The chains go inside the box.
Awesome.
So I'm going to kind of shake those in there. And let's see, and they kind of lock in there, see that?
Yep, they're secured.
And now I'm just going to...
It's like a little puzzle. One of those little lockbox puzzles.
A little puzzle. Now this is the part I was saying about the chain on that channel. See right here?
Yeah, it could get caught, and it did.
So see right here on the front of this lock here, Jody.
Yeah.
See now those two tabs are lined up.
Oh yeah.
And then all you do is get your puck on.
Yeah.
If I can get my, I almost locked it with my fingers there. And you just put that lock on.
And then push the key part up. And then the key goes down under.
The key, just like I showed you earlier.
Yep.
But what's cool is now you can't take this off. So it's all encapsulates the chains, the ball lock. It gets everything, so it's all protected there, and you don't need this lock on
while you're sitting.
While you're sitting.
Still keep it for while you're driving because you want something secure so that your trailer doesn't bounce off the ball.
Yes, we're going to keep that. And what's cool is we also have the same key. I'm hiding the numbers there. Same key.
I know.
And so this lock, that lock, my utility trailer lock are all the same locks. I'm going to get another one because I've already come up with another idea why I need this. So you'll have to stay tuned.
Ooh, stay tuned.
So I love these
More
locks.
to come.
Proven locks. And I hope that that answers any questions you have about safety and securing your trailer. The cool thing about this as well is you can take it with you when you're at the campsite. You're going to go on a hike.
Go have fun, shopping, eat, whatever.
No one's going to take your trailer.
Yeah.
Because it's secure.
Or
there.
go fishing.
Or go fishing because it's completely secure. So that is the Proven Lock system. And
which we think is awesome.
We think it's pretty amazing. And so we're going to try to do some tips and tricks to answer all your questions that you guys have been asking, and we're so grateful.
Keep asking. We're writing them down, making note, and we're saying, okay, we need to do a short video on this. Not necessarily a short, but a shorter video that kind of explains the answer to your question.
Yes.
So stay tuned for those.
So we're going to cover from the hitch fire, how that is all secured and how it works. We're going to cover
how amazing it is. We love it.
And propane. What propane do we use on the hitch fire? We've had comments about the shocks. Those are coming here soon.
Yes, and storage and the necessity of the shocks, not just the way they work, but should you get them, should you not, those kind of things. So. And the mattress upgrade, is it worth it? All those questions that you guys have been asking, yes, we're going to answer those in these quick 10-minute videos. So stay tuned. Make sure you sign up, like, and subscribe, and click the bell for reminders so that you can know when the surprise ones drop.
Yes. We're so thankful for you, and we're so thankful that you're a part of our journey, and we just pray that you have an amazing and blessed every day.
And live life to the fullest.